Hey, what's up, guys? How are you doing today? Yeah, on this episode of starting a YouTube channel in Nigeria, so I understand the fact that I should be discussing about how to set up a YouTube channel, but due to one or two reasons, so in this episode we'll be discussing about how to pick a niche for your YouTube channel, because I later realized that there are still some people that won't understand how they can pick a niche for their channel, maybe due to the fact that they don't have some ideas or how to get started. Even though if they have a skill to render as a service on YouTube, still yet they are they will find it so difficult to get started. So I will I have done some research, then I'm able to pick out some niches, like what you can, a type of video that you can do on YouTube, or a service that you can, a kind of service that you can render on for YouTube. So I have picked up like five or seven niches in which you can just choose one or two ideas from them. Then you decide on the one that you believe that you'll be able to do best. So I'll add up to my screen now, to my PC screen, then you'll be able to see what I've gone through, or the research I've done so far. Then you'll be able to choose the one that best describe, or the one that you think that you can actually render successfully on YouTube. You can't just decide, okay, maybe you have someone that is doing this, you want to do this too. It just depends on what you can do. So I've done some research, and that's what I'll be showing you on this episode. Then in the next episode, we're going to be discussing about how you can set up a YouTube channel. So let's get started. So guys, yeah, I'm on my PC screen already. So I said, yeah, how to choose the best niche for your YouTube channel. So I, like I said earlier on, that I have done some research, and I was able to figure out some channel or niche ideas in which you can definitely do. So maybe you have idea about all these skills already. So like the first one is gaming channel, the second one is product reviews, third one is tutorial, fourth one is food, um, fashion, beauty, weight loss, and healthy living. Then how to, just like the one I'm doing right now. So here on the gaming channel, I think this only require you to just maybe record your screen if you are one kind person that like playing a game, either using a PC or a mobile phone. So definitely this is what you can actually offer if that is what you actually want. So I would like to check one or two channels upon each niche is here. So let's firstly check on gaming channel to see how it's doing. So what type of game should I input now? I think I have some friends, like I have like three friends who like playing um PUBG. I don't know. Okay, PUBG Mobile. Okay. I have friends that used to play that kind of game. So you can see here, you see how people are actually interested in this kind of game. You can see here 1.9 million views in 2 weeks ago. Although this channel have lots of subscribers, and of course, because this channel is just for gaming channel, so that's why, and people are actually interested in this kind channel, because it's based on gaming. So definitely people subscribe to see more updates from the channel. So let's try and check on the profile. You can see here, so I just want to see how the channel is performing lately. Okay, this channel is just a gaming channel. You can see everything here. You can see everything here. Lots of views. People are checking this channel on a regular basis. So you can see 3.74 million subscribers. So definitely people are actually, and this niche is very, 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 very good. You can see the other channel too. You can see this one too. You can see this one. This one even streaming online. You can see it here. You can see it here. So this channel is very good if you are a gamer addict, so if you love playing games, so this channel is very good for you. And the second one is product review. This channel is also good too. This channel is also good if you have people that actually or you want to review their product. People will definitely pay you for reviewing the product, and also you can make money apart from being a partnership on YouTube, because people can contact you to review their products on your channel. So let's check this. Okay, let me do this. My my product review. Okay, you can see here. You can see here. You can see this channel here. So this person is reviewing this microphone products, and of which it can be a sponsor video. So you can see this one too. You can see this one too. So people are actually paying a lot to review a product, and of course, you can also review products by buying some products online. Then maybe you can offer an affiliate marketing on a marketplace. Then you put your referral link there. So when people purchase, you earn some commission. So that will be the profit for you to buy a particular or that particular product. And a tutorial option, this tutorial everything is just like helping people or solving people problems. So there are a lot of people who are actually searching for something. So definitely, if you are solving people's problems, so that's kind of like a tutorial to help people on what they actually need. So let's say for instance now how to okay, you can see all this one now, how to do a review video. You can see how to set up a small recording studio at home. You can see all this stuff here. So these are tutorial that will definitely help you on what you are actually searching for. So you will not be the one, you will not be the first person offering this kind of service. Any service you want to render on YouTube, you will not be the first one to render that kind of service. So people are already offering that service already. So it won't be, sometimes it won't be hard for you to set up or to get views, because people are actually searching for that kind of thing. So that's for tutorial. And for food, so this particular niche is, I think, is mostly for female who want to start a YouTube channel. So I think it's mostly for female. So even for instance how to cook, uh, I have one search, not even one self, I've searched so many times how to cook noodles, like noodles with egg, or noodles at home, noodles in Nigerian. So people are searching for this. Even me, I'm part of people that are actually searching for this one. So definitely you can see these are a lot of views. These are a lot of views. You can see people are actually searching. You can see 3.7 million views, even though it's 4 years ago and the video is still trending. So this is amazing. This is amazing. This is amazing. So it just depends on what you can do. If you have an idea on how to cook, so definitely you'll be able to offer this kind of niches. Very easy. It's very easy. So that's that for the food niche. And for the fashion, if you are one kind of person that like fashion design, and you definitely, people who like trending of the thing and all these crazy stuffs, so just to look amazing and stand out from others. So definitely people would like to watch your channel to check some latest trending fashion design. Let's see how to something like ashwebi, okay, how to tie gele, and something like ashwebi of the team. So people actually searching. You can see this one here. You can see this one here. You can see this one. Even this one is not for only female. If
if you are a male and you think that these are what you can actually do, that would be very crazy because people would love to see a man dying daily like that. So this will be very funny if you are a man that you are doing this kind of thing. So I think that's really cool. That's really cool. It just depends on what you can do, you know. So and you can see people are actually subscribing to see latest trend because everybody wants to look amazing and stand out from others, you know. So definitely you gain a lot of subscribers and views if you are into this kind of niche. And also the sixth one, the sixth one is beauty, you know. People just like fashion, so everyone want to look beauty just to amaze the people. So let's say I because there are actually something that actually trending how to do makeup. Okay, how to do makeup for beginners, how to do pizza, how to so you can see here, you can see here, you can see here because these are the things that some people use to earn a living, you know. They do makeup to survive. So this is very amazing. You can see this face, then see after. See the face before and after. You can see. So people would love to subscribe to this kind of channel. Whoa, this is very crazy. 3.3 million views, 2.2 million views. Because girls like they would like to look stand out. Like seriously, even among their friends. So they like to copy each other. Look at my makeup. This one I'm using. This one I'm using. Then with this kind of channel, you know, you can actually promote or get sponsored to promote some makeup products. You know, so that's very amazing. And it's not about only makeup alone. You know, there are many niches or service you can render on this kind of beauty stuff. So even some body cream and all other stuff. So this niche is very good as well. I don't want to make this channel looks like because most of the thing here is kind of like for female, but you know, gaming is not for female. Review is not for female. Then tutorial is not even food self is not for female. If you know how to cook, you have a lot of ideas. So even fashion is not for female. Beauty is not for female. I've checking some channels or some Instagram page that a guy like that is doing makeup to sell or to see to I think it's not to sell some beauty product. So this is what everybody can do. Everybody can do this. So weight loss and healthy living. You know, weight loss too. People love their health. So people love their health. They are okay. How to do home workouts, home workouts, full body. So you can see this on here too. People are actually checking on this. You can see 7.2 million. This is crazy. 40 million, 6 million subscribers on this channel. So these are things that everybody can do. Everybody can do it. It's not just for someone or a personal or a particular gender. So everybody can do this without any stress. You can see here male and female, male and female. So anybody can do this. Anybody can do this. So the last one, I think I was able to figure out like four niches in which you can definitely pick from as a niche if you don't have any idea. But you know, the most important thing is that if you have idea on how to offer any one of them or anyone apart from this, I'll just advise you to just offer what you actually know about because then you won't be trying to learn some other things or to do some research again. This is what you know. So just offer that kind of niche without stressing up yourself. So I think that would be very easy. I based on freelancing most of my videos based on freelancing because that is what I actually based on. You understand? So and I believe that that's what I can definitely do on my own, even without doing any research. So I just based on that. So I know that this gaming channel routine is very lucrative and people are actually watching product review tutorial, but those are not what I actually know much about. So I just neglect them, then move on to what I actually know much about. So the last one here is how to. So there are a lot of how to's video. So there are a lot of how to videos. So let's say for instance, how to create a YouTube channel. YouTube, sorry, channel in Nigeria. So let's see. All these are how to's of the thing. So you can see this video here. You can see this one too. So how to create a YouTube channel on mobile 2020. So people are actually offering this kind of service. So you can see how to's, you can see how to's, you can see how to's. So different videos that definitely fix up your problem in case. So you can see here there are a lot of how to's video that you can definitely watch to get started. Even not only that, you can see how to make money online. So lot of videos here too. If you have idea how to make money online, so you can definitely offer this kind of service. So how to make pizza. I think I see that kind of video. How to make pizza at home. So you can see here a lot of videos that people are actually making on this. So I think this is very cool. This is very cool. I love it. So it's just left to you now to choose the one that best describe you, that it won't stress you. Even though you don't have a camera, then you can get started with it. Or if you have one, or you can use your phone to record. It just depends on the niche that you decide to choose. So this one is left to you now. Like I've provided enough information on how you can definitely pick up a need. Then in the next video we'll be discussing about how to set up a YouTube channel and other stuff to get your YouTube channel account running. So thank you for watching and I hope you like the video. If you have any question regarding this video, please kindly comment. I will be very much happy to reply to your comment. Thank you.